In this video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF file on your laptop using Microsoft Word. So, if you want to make quick changes to any PDF document, just follow these simple steps. First, open Microsoft Word on your laptop. Now click on the Open option and locate the PDF file that you want to edit. Select the PDF file and click on Open. You'll now see a pop-up message saying that Word will convert the PDF into an editable document. Simply click on to continue. After a few seconds, your PDF file will open inside Microsoft Word, and now you can easily edit the text, images, or formatting just like a normal Word document. Once you've finished editing the PDF file, go to the File menu and click on Save As. Now choose the location where you want to save the file. After that, make sure the Save as Type option is selected as PDF. You can also rename the document before saving it. Finally, click on Save and your edited PDF file will be saved successfully. So, that's how you can easily edit PDF files using Microsoft Word on your laptop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PDF editing tutorials and Microsoft Word tips.